Hello again. Hi. 5 more minutes of meditation. Today we're going to meditate on our backs and it's going to be yummy. Use your essential oils. I got the link down below. If you haven't got the oils yet, order you some. I know this is life changing. I'm using Serenity. I've already applied it to my throat, my heart, bottoms of my feet, back of my neck. So I'll show you again. I know you get tired of me showing you the oils, but listen, I know the power of these essential oils, and not just any oil. Check out the ones I use, doTERRA. So rub your palms together, rub on your feet, rub on your heart center, your throat, your wrist, and then go ahead and lie down on your backs. You could be on a couch, but not your bed, okay? Lie down on your back, and we're going to meditate for 5 minutes. Cross your legs, squeeze those legs, take the arms above the head, inhale, stretch. Exhale, uncross and change the cross of your legs. Squeeze them. Inhale, arms up, reach up. Exhale, bring the arms by your sides, and then go ahead and roll the shoulder blades underneath you. Move your head side to side, and then bend your knees one by one. Put your knees together, feet apart. Now, elbows are alongside you. Put your fingers on your tummy. Close your eyes and drop into a very, very relaxed, peaceful state of being. Let your body drop and relax. This position is safe for anyone with back issues, with any sort of sensitivity in your backs. Sometimes it's hard to sit straight up and meditate. This is wonderful for those days. So as you lie down with the eyes closed, letting the body feel heavy, sinking into the floor, and you just begin to relax your face. Let the face relax so much that your jaw softens and the lower jaw eases towards the floor. Maybe you can wet your lips, maybe squeeze and purse your lips together, and then relax and let go. Swallow. Begin to relax your eyes now, your eyelids, your eyeballs. Just let the eyes roll back in their socket. Relax your forehead. Sweetheart, I know you got so much on your mind. I do know. And I know you got so much going on in the day. But hey, just three to 4 more minutes is all. Stay with me. Listen to my voice. I will guide you into staying here. Stay. In fact, in your mind, why don't you repeat after me and say to yourself, stay. You're telling your own mind that, you see. Stay. Stay, my love, stay, you say. And then relax your tummy. Take a deep breath into your tummy and release it. Again, deep breath into your tummy and release it. Another deep breath into your tummy and release it. With your next inhalation, breathe as deeply as you can. Let go completely. Now mentally repeat after me and say, and some people like to say it audibly, that's perfectly okay. And yes, this is meditation. Keep the eyes closed gently. Don't squeeze your eyes, don't force. If you have sensitivity about keeping the eyes closed, you can just soften your eyes so that you can see your eyelashes, you can see the images or items around your room, but your eyes are more than halfway closed, okay? Now the face and abdominals relax, shoulders relax. Say with me mentally or audibly and say, even though I don't think meditation is really helping me, I accept myself. Even though it's really hard to make the time every day to do this, I accept myself. I know I'm normal. I'm trying. And I am very proud of myself. Now just relax, everybody. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Now I want to ask you to see in your mind's eye. Just go and shift to the part of your mind that can see images and pictures. For example, you can see a red bird, You can see a cardinal for me. Now see if you can see a blue car. Maybe you can see a green tree. Okay, so that part of the mind. Now see an image of yourself lying down like this right now, as if you're above the ceiling and taking a photo. Take a deep breath. And now feeling your whole body. Hold your whole body in your awareness. Relaxing the face. Feel space around your whole body. Feel space around your whole body. Take a deep breath. Feel all the space around your body. Now, feel your back resting on the bed or on the floor or on the couch. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And now put both hands around your belly button. Take a deep breath into your belly. And then let go with a sigh. And then put your hands together. Bring your hands to your heart center and say, I am proud of myself for showing up for myself again today. I just meditated for a whole 5 minutes and I am very proud. Take a deep breath. Exhale, release, and then stretch those arms and legs. And inhale, exhale. Roll to one side and press up into a seated posture. I know my hair is all messed up and probably yours is too, but that's okay, right? Sitting with our hands to our hearts again. Look down or just close your eyes and feel. Keep breathing. Relax. Feel your body sitting upright. Again, feel that space around you. Feel your hands touch. Maybe you can still smell your yummy essential oil. Thank yourself by bowing down to yourself and say with me, I bow to the deepest power within me and I am safe. I'm fine. Open your eyes, stretch, or slowly get up and go finish the day or go do the next thing, and I will see you tomorrow. You can repeat this again several times a day if you wanted to. Hope you feel better. Keep at it. Consistency is the key. Sending kisses and hugs, and thank you again for joining me. Bye-bye.